Hello and welcome to Fields BMW Lakeland. This is Nathan with your Genius team, and today we're looking at the driver's assistance camera. So the driver's assistance camera on this X7 here is located here at the top center section of the instrument cluster. I'm trying to give you a little close-up shot of that. As when I pull back here, we can see the LED array that's kind of in there. It's kind of flickering. Now, to the naked eye, I cannot see that, but on camera it does come up. Now, what this camera is designed for is when you are using, or one of the things it can do, is when you are using your active cruise control. So we've got the adaptive cruise control on this vehicle, and you come to a stop. Under the traditional systems, you had to either press the accelerator or hit the resume button, to get the vehicle to pull away from the stop. With the camera system, if the camera system sees that you are paying attention, so your eyes and nose are watching traffic, you will be able to not have to touch anything, and the vehicle will just start to accelerate from that stop. So that's one of the purposes of this camera, is to make sure that the driver is paying attention. But please, if you have any questions, give us a call, 863-816-1234, or stop by and see us at 4285 Lakeland Park Drive here in beautiful Lakeland, Florida, just off I-4 at exit 33. We'll see you soon.